Restoration isn't about going back, it's about moving forward with grace. Today we're talking about restoring relationships that were once strong but have been strained, broken, or lost. Colossians chapter 3 verse 13 says, "Bear with each other and forgive one another. Forgive as the Lord forgave you." And Proverbs chapter 17 verse 9 reminds us that love prospers when a fault is forgiven. The pain of broken relationships. Whether it's family, friendship, or faith community, broken relationships hurt. They leave us feeling betrayed, misunderstood, or abandoned. But God is in the business of restoration. Why restoration matters. Restoration isn't just about reconciliation, it's about healing. It's about choosing love over pride, peace over resentment. It's about reflecting God's heart. The role of grace and humility. Restoring relationships requires humility. It means owning our part, releasing blame, and inviting grace into the conversation. Grace softens hearts and opens doors. When restoration isn't possible. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, restoration doesn't happen. That's okay. Healing can still occur. Boundaries can coexist with forgiveness. God honors your heart. Practical steps to restore relationships. Pray for wisdom and timing. Reach out with humility, not accusation. Listen more than you speak. Apologize sincerely. Let go of the need to be right. Invite God into the process. Closing reflection and prayer. Lord, help us to restore what's been broken. Give us courage to reach out, grace to forgive, and love to rebuild. Amen. If this message touched you, share it with someone who needs healing. Subscribe for more healing moments. Restoration is possible, and it begins with grace.